Court rules Elvis Graceland mansion cannot be foreclosed upon. Graceland can stay in the hands of Elvis Presley's family for the time being, after a Tennessee court chancellor ruled Wednesday that a mysterious company trying to sell it likely committed fraud. Chancellor JoeDae Jenkins said that a planned foreclosure sale of Graceland, Elvis Presley's historic Memphis home, would be postponed at least until a future hearing determines who maintains rightful ownership of the estate. A bizarre series of events set the late singer's granddaughter against a mysterious company that claimed Elvis' daughter gave it Graceland's deed. A hearing in the Shelby County, Tennessee, Chancery Court determined that Thursday's planned foreclosure auction of Graceland would irreparably harm Elvis' granddaughter, Danielle Riley Keough, who sued to block the sale. Keough took ownership of the estate and popular tourist attraction after her mother and Elvis' daughter, Marie Presley, died in January 2023. The estate is considered unique under Tennessee law. And in being unique, the loss of the real estate will be considered irreparable harm, Jenkins said. Jenkins also said there was evidence that a company trying to foreclose on Graceland had forged documents that it claimed gave it the right to sell the property. Who holds the rights to Graceland? A company called Chancery Investments and Private Lending LLC claims that Marie Presley failed to pay back a $3.8 million loan it had given her, and Chancery said Presley had put up Graceland as collateral against the loan. Seeking repayment, it had scheduled an auction of the estate. This was no typical foreclosure sale. Keough filed a lawsuit earlier this month, claiming there was no such loan. She also claims Chancery isn't even a real company. These documents are fraudulent, Keough's lawsuit alleges. Marie Presley never borrowed money from Chancery Investments and never gave a deed of trust to Chancery Investments. The lawsuit alleges Chancery Investments and Private Lending LLC appears to be a false entity, created for the purpose of defrauding, although Chancery provided what appears to be a 2018 notarized promissory note signed by Marie Presley to put up Graceland as collateral. Keough's lawsuit said that was a forgery. In a signed affidavit, the notary public denied ever notarizing anything that Marie Presley had signed. Chancellor Jenkins said that affidavit was sufficient evidence to delay the foreclosure until a hearing can determine the facts. But Jenkins also said the evidence suggested Keough was telling the truth. It appears you'll be successful on the merits, provided you prove at the ultimate hearing fraud alleged by your client and the notary, Jenkins said Wednesday. When CNN attempted to reach Chancery Investments and Private Lending LLC by phone, the number was no longer in service. The business was listed in a court document from Keough's attorney as being located in Kimberling City, Missouri, but CNN was unable to locate a business in the state of Missouri by that name via the Secretary of State's office. CNN was also unable to locate a business by that name when searching nationwide. Elvis Presley Enterprises, the company that manages Presley's estate, concurred that Chancery's claim was illegitimate. Elvis Presley Enterprises can confirm that these claims are fraudulent, the company said. There is no foreclosure sale. Simply put, the counter-lawsuit has been filed is to stop the fraud. A judge last week granted a temporary restraining order, preventing Chancery from selling Graceland. Jenkins extended that order Wednesday. An estate in dispute following Marie Presley's death, Keough and her grandmother, Priscilla Presley, fought over the rights to her estate, including Graceland. Ultimately, Keough and Presley settled, and Keough became Graceland's sole owner. In 2004, Marie Presley sold 85% of Elvis Presley Enterprises' assets in a deal reportedly worth more than $100 million. But she maintained complete ownership of the Graceland mansion and Elvis' personal items housed in what is now the Graceland Museum, according to the Graceland website. Graceland is one of the South's biggest tourist draws, visited by hundreds of thousands of people each year, Graceland says on its website. Marie Presley annually earns 7 figures from it, based on a court filing in her 2020 divorce. Who is Riley Keough? Keough was born to parents Marie Presley and musician Danny Keough in 1989. She is a well-known actor, appearing in Mad Max Fury Road and other Hollywood hits. She also appears in Hulu's Under the Bridge. First credited as an actor in the movie The Runaways in 2010, Keough has racked up a number of acting roles. She recently starred in Daisy Jones and the Six, where she played a troubled musician in a band about to make it big. In a piece for Vanity Fair, Keough revealed she has a daughter, Tupelo Storm Smith Peterson, who was born via surrogate in August 2022. Elvis was born in Tupelo, Mississippi, in 1935. But Keough said the name is a tribute to her late brother, Benjamin Storm Keough, who died in 2020 at the age of 27.